All right, good afternoon, everybody. We are going to be making some delicious spring rolls today. They're absolutely phenomenal. We're going to start off with some potato julienne, some onion julienne. Also going to get some carrot julienne up along with some shiitakes. And we're also going to mince up some ginger and garlic, get that ready to go. And I got some cilantro that I'm going to chiffonade as well. Going to start off cooking everything with a little bit of veg oil, get that nice and hot. Get your onions, your carrots, and your potatoes in. All right, and once you've got those sauteed going, we get a little bit of mushroom in there right now. The ginger and the garlic will go in as well, pretty much all together. And then cilantro, no, we got to save that for the end. We got to get this cooked up, but do add the soy sauce into this now, and we're going to get that cooked up with some chilies, but no, you got to mince those up too and get them nice and fine. Get those added in. And no, definitely make sure to wash your hands after you've done this, especially gentlemen. Don't go to the bathroom before washing your hands. All right, now that it's all cooked out, about 10-15 minutes, get the sesame oil in. Now the cilantro can go in. Get that sauteed off, and once you get the cilantro in, you want to pull it off. You want that fresh flavor to remain, and we're going to cool it down as quickly as we can and get that onto a baking tray to cool down. Spread it out nice and thin. When I was working in restaurants doing stuff like this, I would just stand in front of the big fans we had in the fridge and let that cool down. Now we're going to get to rolling them after about 24 hours in the fridge. I'm going to start off with whisking some egg, get the mixture out of the fridge, and we're going to start with some spring roll wraps here. Get that opened up and sit it off to the side. You definitely want to get it covered up with a towel and sprinkle a little bit of water on top of it just to make sure it doesn't dry out. We're going to get a sheet laid out, get that egg wash brushed on the top of the two sides there, and then spoon out some of the mixture. Don't overfill it. I find a lot of people overfill. And that we're going to get this shaped up a little bit. That's really important. Get the shape that you're looking for first, and then with some clean hands, pull it nice and tight. And we're going to make sure we pull it super tight. It's really important that you get it nice and tight. Curl in those edges. Now it's really important after you do the first roll that those two sides that you curl in, it's got to be super straight and parallel, not sticking out, nice and straight. All right, then you can finish rolling that up, and there you go. That is the finished spring roll. You can do a whole bunch of these ahead of time. Get them ready to go for a dinner party like I'm doing this night. Make sure your temp is at around 360 and drop it in away from yourself so if it splashes, it doesn't pop back at you. Stay safe, kids. All right, now I was finally able to find some sriracha after a long haul without it. I've just got a little bit of a splatter guard there so I don't create a mess. Pull it out after a few minutes and it's nice and golden brown. Pull it out, put it on some paper towel just to absorb the excess. Be careful, it is crazy hot still. Pat it dry, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do a little design on the plate first. That thing's crazy hot, molten lava hot. I'm going to pipe on a chili looking like thing because it's chili sauce. And just to make it nice and fun for the kids, if you're ever serving this, not that you want to serve kids too spicy food, but start them young. Start them young. Make it look like a chili with a little stem there. Little trick I learned from a chef named Tom Field back in Mississauga at a restaurant called Muster Grill, which actually this dish is from many years ago. I was a dishwasher there almost 30 years ago. Anyway, here's the finished spring rolls. They're absolutely incredible. They're super hot still and addictive. I let them cool down a bit just before I bit into them, but my God, guys, these are delicious. Give them a shot. Super fantastic. Anyway, thanks a lot, everybody. Give these a shot. My name's Terry Port, and please do like and subscribe my page. Support me. I greatly appreciate it. Have a great afternoon, everybody. See ya.